Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Tochi. Today I'm going to have my brother, my little big brother, do my makeup, and I'm not going to help him at all. He's just gonna have to figure it out. I have the tools all like here laid out. He can do literally whatever he wants. Please be gentle because this is kind of expensive. Obviously I have makeup on right now. I'm going to wipe it off, but have you ever watched me do my makeup, like ever? He watched my YouTube video, but it wasn't in detail. I'm going to wipe my makeup off and he's just gonna basically have at it. Oh, my stomach hurts now. My face is clean now. This is the time when I just stop talking. I'm gonna start with telling you what everything is first. Okay, so.
I didn't get to introduce myself.
Oh, go ahead. Hi. Okay.
Say nah. Hi, I'm Catchy. I'm Tochi's brother.
Sister?
Like she said, I'm bigger than her, but I'm her little brother by like 3 years. And I'm basically about to do her makeup today. And I'm about to make her look bomb. Like bomb. So y'all not even ready. I'm about to do a full glam.
Anyways. Are you good, bro? What are you doing?
I see what you're trying to get off your mouth.
I know, it's the fibers from the makeup wipe.
I already know what all these are. Okay.
I'm going to be asking you questions while you're doing it, so it's like an interview.
Is this transparent powder?
Yes.
Okay, so I saw something on TikTok. Are you gonna ask me questions or what?
I'm so scared. So I hear you're on TikTok. Is that true?
Yeah, I'm on TikTok. Y'all follow me on TikTok. My ad name is Max Chuck. She'll put it right here.
So I see that you had some videos that went viral on TikTok.
Yeah.
So would you consider yourself TikTok famous?
I wouldn't consider myself TikTok famous because I only have 15,000 followers. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's a little bit. Whoa! Yeah, like I was saying, I don't really consider that famous because it's like not Charlie D'Amelio. Charlie D'Amelio has like something million. I only have 13,000.
Do you get recognized at school?
Sometimes.
Like people like ask you to do TikToks with them, shout them out, stuff like that?
Yeah. She doesn't have setting spray, so we're gonna use Mario Badescu.
So rude. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Please.
I literally look at my hands. Literally, my hands are so clean. Like I even have pretty nails and all that. And she's just,
I don't like when people touch my face.
Okay, so does this go into this? Is it allowed to? This is so confusing.
Like when I tell you, I'm literally having like an anxiety attack right now. Like, this is so hard for me.
I don't know if I'm supposed to put more of this after. I didn't put it under her nose. What's the problem? Can you stop? Please, you're embarrassing me. Stop!
I'm scared to breathe. It's gonna come my nose.
Shut! Just stop breathing real like for. Okay, I gotta go back with this. Okay. Now, what we're gonna get her foundation. She uses Fenty Beauty. She uses, ew. Y'all see this? So, you just put your foundation on, please. Is that a lot? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend it in. I don't know if I use this flat part. I'm pretty sure I use a flat part. Ooh, are you sure this is your color?
Because you've
Close your mouth. I'm sorry, just like do this.
Screw asking the question, bruh, because you're so rude.
Hold up.
It hurts.
Can you be quiet, please? Close your eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit more in like the corner, like this corner piece, like that. So like get in like her eyes. Can you like not be doing all that?
Doing what?
Doing
Like what? You're hurting me.
turn my way. So cakey. We're going next. She has two of these. I don't know which one to use. This one probably empty. This is lip gloss.
Let me shut up.
Wait. Oh my goodness. What is going on? Okay, I'm gonna use this one. The way you put it on, you put it like the highlight places. So 1, 2, 3. Basically, when you're doing this, it helps. Put it right here, because to give it like a highlight. What do you use this for? Oh, this is a foundation brush. I was supposed to use this. Wait, concealer counts as foundation? Okay, I'm gonna use the beauty blender for the... Oh. Ask me questions.
No, because you need to be focused.
I mean, it don't look bad here, but then when I turn to the camera, it looks like a ghost. Oh yeah, I see people put concealer right here. Oh, I put some in here. Primer. I was wait. What does this look like? Wait. Primer. Oh, you supposed to put this before all of it. We gotta start all over again.
Why don't you post on a YouTube channel anymore?
Because I don't know, YouTube is hard. Yo, it's like, I don't know. It's like, what is there more to this? It's like, what am I not doing? Where's the...
Is this what my face looked like in the beginning of the video?
Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette. We use this one for eyeshadow. What's the other one? Oh, so based on this, I'm guessing she uses this one a lot because it's like worn out. So we're just gonna... Wait, you're supposed to put like a shiny one in, like in the middle. No, you're supposed to put like a big one first and then like a shiny one in the middle. This is a Jew-faced.
Two-faced.
Told you what I'm saying. I'm so sorry. I don't know if she even uses this. Like, I don't know what this is. Oh, these are both eyeshadows. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this first. I'm gonna use this color. No, wait. I'm gonna give her a light color. I'm gonna give her this nougat. I'm just gonna clean this off with this. I'm gonna give her a nice nougat color. I'm like, no. Yeah, I'm not using this color no more. I gotta clean this brush off again. I'm sorry, yo. Anyways, so I'm gonna give her a nice pink, nice Prada pink color. Still Shot is the color I'm using. Wow. Okay. It's nothing ain't showing up. Is this supposed to be happening? Oh, I think I'm supposed to put liquid in here. I'm sorry. Actually, no, sorry. I'm about to use blue. Okay, now I gotta put... Okay, this time I'm gonna use primer for that little part right there. The sound. Ask me questions. It's like, it's so boring.
It's because, like, I don't think you can multitask.
I'm actually questions. So, what made you want to start doing YouTube?
I've always wanted to do YouTube. A lot of times when I'm doing things, I pretend like I'm filming a YouTube channel. And don't even call me weird because I know there's a lot of people out there that do that. Like when they're filming videos, they'll be like, oh, hi guys, welcome back. But they're not actually going to post it anywhere. And I do that all the time. So I was like, why don't I just do it? And because I post a lot of tutorials on my Snapchat, like my private story. And my friend was like, this is like something that'd go on YouTube. Shout out to you, Audrey.
So is YouTube something that you want to start taking serious?
Yeah, but I don't want it to be like something that it's like a burden to me. I want it to be like something that...
Define burden.
Something that... Burden is something that, I guess, something that weighs you down. I guess something that's like kind of bothering you. It's like, it's bothering you to do it. I just want it to be like something that is...
Do for fun, right?
Yeah, that I enjoy.
I understand you. You also have TikTok.
Yes.
Do you ever tell your fans about that? Your
No,
followers, subscribers?
I would prefer if no one followed me on there.
Why? Why do you say that?
Because it's like, if you find it, sure. But like, I don't want anyone... I don't want to promote my TikTok and then people go on there and they make fun of me.
True. You want to be like me one day?
No.
Okay. That actually doesn't look bad. Oh. Okay, we're gonna be doing a transition to blue to... Okay, I'm gonna clean this off first, and then I'm gonna... Because this one is more darker. We're gonna go in with this. Tell me a little about yourself. Tell me about your life story.
My life story. Okay, well, one day I was born, September 12th. I was born.
What year were you born?
2000.
2000?
Yes.
Oh, so you're so close to being a 90s baby.
Yeah, so close, but not really. Like 9 months off. No, I don't really care to be a 90s baby.
Do you have any 90s babies friends?
Mm-hmm. My one friend, she was born on December 29th, 1999. She thinks she's so cool. But you barely made it. And you know exactly who you are. You barely made it. But my life story, that's a very, like, that's a deep question. I don't really think I could explain that.
Tell us a little about yourself.
Well, I'm 19. Sometimes I forget that I'm 19. Like, when people ask me how old I am, I'll say I'm 18. And I'll be like, wait, no, I'm actually 20. I'm like, wait, no, I didn't turn 20 yet. I'm actually 19. And that goes to my mind all the time. I just can't wait till I'm 20 so I can stop having to remember that I'm 19.
So who would you say is your favorite sibling? How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings. My favorite sibling? I always say that Zim is my favorite sibling because he's the youngest, but I don't know. It changes. Zim rarely makes me upset. So that's why I count him as my favorite sibling.
You're breathing awfully hard.
Because I'm nervous. You seem very confident in the things that you're doing right now. What exactly are you doing, though?
Okay, right now I'm underlining her eyebrows.
Yeah.
Eyebrows, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm supposed to use this.
What exactly are you doing, though?
Okay. Do you use this?
No.
So now what I'm gonna use this brow pencil. Can I sharpen it? I feel like this is not doing anything. Do you think I'm about to do a good job?
No comment.
Okay. If you know Tochi, she does her eyebrows pretty decent. She always gets compliments on them. They're not... Look at me.
What? Why are you laughing? Like, what are you doing?
You, please, stay still. Okay. So I'm gonna put...
Are you in a jazz, man? Like, what are you doing?
Where's the concealer? The squirt one. First. Just like Her face. Is this a lot? Why does it feel like it's burning my skin? Anyways, who's your best friend?
My best friend is Cecina.
Why is she your best friend?
Because I've known her for a long time. And she has really good qualities as a person.
Oh yeah, no, what she does, after she gets the foundation, after she puts it on her bottom thing, she drags it down a little bit. Oh my gosh. Okay.
What?
Nothing. I was like, did I forget something?
Are you sweating because you're nervous?
I'm sweating. My hands.
Your palms are damp.
Literally, my hands are so dry, y'all. She does not know what she's talking about.
There's dampness on my face.
There's dampness on my face.
There's a snake in my boot.
Do not. Zoink, Scoob. Wait, how come it actually doesn't look that bad? Wait. Boom. Boom. Can you please shut up, please?
Why are you so mean to me?
Like, shut up, you're moving. I can't post that on YouTube.
Why? Wait, why can't I do that? You said...
Because you just made fun of some people.
Peeper. Peeper.
Are you gonna shut up? Yo, your brother's hot. Maybe that's what's making my palms sweaty.
Why did you keep your finger on my... I was moving you. Keep your finger on my head.
Because I'm trying to keep you still. I feel like it actually looks better when you... Like, actually, no.
Oh my gosh. So I can plug stuff into it. I bring my phone and I bring a charger.
To my way. To my way. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Don't yell at me.
It's on my way. Can you move? Like, what are you doing? Don't you have like a stick? Oh yeah, you use one of these sticks for something. This is contour. Contour goes right here. And you know that look good. Yeah. Oh, but you're supposed to make an L shape.
So now that I'm editing, I just saw that there's a whole part that was just gone. So that's why in the next clip, which is the end of the video, you're just gonna see me with just blush and like lipstick, and it's like kind of confusing because I didn't have it on before. Stop! What are you doing? But yeah, just know that that part is gone. So if you made it this far, yay, good for you. I'm gonna leave now, okay? So this is the finished look. If I were to rate this, I would give this a 3 out of 10. This is actually pretty embarrassing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure to subscribe.
Give a like and comment.
Give it a big thumbs up, you know, comment below, share this with your mom, your dad, your dog, whatever, whoever wants to watch this video. Make sure to follow me on my social media on my Instagram at TOCHISN. Maybe you can follow him. I don't know, do you want to promote yourself?
Follow me on.
Well, that's all we have for today. So thank you guys for watching. See you later, maybe. Bye.
You order something like that. That'll make the video even more fun.